This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. The Federal Reserve's monetary policy update yesterday was closely followed, and even though it came in as forecast with its most aggressive move in 22 years, the overriding sentiment was it could have been much worse and there was no acceleration of the hawkish bias. As a result, the news proved to be negative for the greenback and positive for stocks, with smaller cap US plays in the Russell 2000 being a clear standout. Daily vol on the index came in at 36.25% against 26.92% on the month. Many will now be watching the Bank of England to see how it responds later today. As for fiat currencies, impacted by the move, US dollar Kiwi was a standout, with the greenback adding around 1.5% off the news. Price action here may have been exaggerated by falling employment growth in New Zealand too, but daily vol was bumped out to 20.67% on the pair against 11.78% on the month. Tron was notable amongst cryptocurrencies, with reports of good product development progress seeming to lend some support here, leaving the asset to trade in the 20% range against the US dollar yesterday, with most of that being on the upside. The trend was typical for the sector, but daily vol ended up at 112% against 79% for the month. Finally, shares in fast fashion retailer Boohoo took a beating yesterday in response to earnings, which illustrated the impact of higher purchase prices and shipping costs on the business. This is set to provide additional headwinds in the near term, and with markets focusing on this rather than the company's belief it can grow market share in the years ahead, price action was elevated on Wednesday. Daily vol advanced to 248% against 128% on the month.